Well, everyone, meaning me and Deanna, because we're the only ones that watch this channel. Um, we got one Holo Pack from the 7,500 score requirement. I was able to sell a couple of LeBron James 7,500s and get the funds to do some of those full team sets. Really helped up my collector score. And with a 25% chance, we got lucky. I mean, the odds still weren't in our favor, but a lot better than the normal 2.5% of the holo drop. So, very, very fortunate. Looking forward to this. Turn that music down a little bit. I guess being on mobile, I can't see which one is the legendary. Jeez, how many are there? All right. Well, let's check it out. All right, I guess this is it. John Wall. All right, so probably one of the worst ones to get. And I think what we're going to have to do is probably wait until he's in a challenge, which could be weeks, but yeah, at least we got something. All right, we got a Danny Green. Another John Wall. I'm confused. Alright, so we got a John Wall MGLE and a John Wall. Okay, so we got. I just thought that was the holo, but we got two John Wall MGLEs. All right. Weird. Well, that's good news, I guess. Nice serial number on that. Hey, we got a 3 Badger. Can't complain. See if we can get a triple John Wall. Alright. Jacob Polo. This is the metallic gold. I don't know why the videos aren't working. There we go. Alright, so the MGLEs I got were probably some of the worst ones. Let's see if the holo makes up for it. Bradley Beal, All-Star. He's one of the cheaper floor moments right now, but he's undervalued, I think. Oh, here we go. Legendary number 50, Rui. All right. I'll take a Rui. It's a nice dunk. Nice even number 50. Lou Dort. This is a low serial number, 447. I think that's a game winner 3-pointer. Okay. So, probably one of the worst Holo Packs in this drop, but we still got one, which is amazing. And then a Giannis. All right. All right. Nice.